measurement of earth resistance for a given electrode. Now this can be measured using earth tester. Earth tester will have 4 terminals, E1, P1, P2, E2. E1 and P1 should be connected to a common terminal and it will be connected to the grounding electrode or pipe electrode, or it can be a plate electrode. Apart from this, we have 2 auxiliary electrodes A and D. That is, P2 will be connected to one auxiliary electrode A and E2 will be connected to another auxiliary electrode B. And all these electrodes should be connected to the inside the earth. Now we will have a display portion here, display meter, and we will have one press button and one switch here. Now the switch, if we connect it to the right hand side, it will indicate, it will record the readings 0 to 10 ohms. If the resistance of the earth plate or grounding pipe is greater than 10 ohms, then go for the left hand side position, switch position. We can record the readings up to 1000 ohms. Now the distance between the electrodes, auxiliary electrodes, has to be maintained at 3 meters. Now, and press this button after connecting all this. Press this button. Voltage will get applied inside this earth tester, and automatically the earth resistance will be displayed. Generally, a very good earth resistance of a grounding pipe, if you have done the earthing done well, very well, that is with alternate layers of charcoal and salt, then it should give a value of less than 5 ohms. 10 ohms is maximum limitation. More than 10 ohms means the earthing is not proper. Maybe there can be various factors that is affecting the earth resistance. It can be due to soil resistivity or the moisture may not be present in the soil. For that you need to pour periodically some water into the pipe. For that purpose only a funnel has been provided here. Okay. We will see the experimental value of the given galvanized iron pipe.
How do you start?
Tester. We are having 4 terminals, E1, P1, P2, E2. E1 and P1 are shorted together and connected to the pipe earthing. Directly you can see this is the electrode, and P2 and E2 are the 2 electrodes. One electrode is connected there and another electrode is connected here, and the distance between the 2 electrodes is approximately 8 feet. We can go up to 3 feet. Now this is the switch where we can put in a 10 ohms mode or 1000 ohms mode. Now since we are measuring the pipe earthing resistance, it will be generally less than 10 ohms. Therefore I am keeping this in 10 ohms mode, and this is the test button. Once all the electrodes has been properly connected, press this test button. So now we are getting 5.5 ohms, which means the grounding is done properly and it is in well within the limits. Thank you.